Importing your customers into Fergus is quick and hassle-free. Whether you're uploading a CSV file, transitioning from your old job management platform, or importing customers from your accounting package, Fergus has you covered. First, let's go over how to import your customers from your accounting package. To get started, you'll need to connect Fergus to your accounting software. If you're unsure how, check out our helpful guide. Once your accounting package is connected, navigate to the Customers page at the top of Fergus. Look for the three-dot menu on the right-hand side. From the options that appear, select Import from Accounting Package, for example, Import from Xero. And that's it, Fergus will automatically start pulling through your customer data. Next, let's talk about importing customers from your previous job management software. Start by downloading your customer list as a CSV file from your old system. Once you have the file ready, head to the Customers page in Fergus and click the three dots menu. Select Import from Customer List to see options like Tradeify, ServiceMate, GeoOp, or a custom CSV file. Choose the platform you're importing from, and Fergus will guide you through uploading this file. The system will then process the data and add your customers. Finally, if you're using a generic CSV file, Fergus makes it simple. Select the Import from CSV file option and Fergus will prompt you to map the columns in your file. This step ensures the data is correctly understood by Fergus. Once you've completed the mapping, Fergus will handle the rest and upload your customer list automatically. And that's it! Your customers are now successfully imported into Fergus and ready to use. Whether you're streamlining operations or transitioning from another platform, Fergus makes it easy every step of the way.